My Little Marvels. Colors. Orange. I see the orange in a duck toy to ride, and in a bucket to collect oranges aside. Pink. I see the pink in an umbrella, in a sandal on the sand, and in an ice cream falling from the boy's hand. Brown. I see the brown in a bull in a far stable, and in a tree trunk from which we make a table. Gray. I see the gray in a satellite, in a highway, in huge buildings, tall and gray. Red. In the flowers and the bank I see the red. I see it also in a hat over the boy's head. Yellow. I see the yellow in a bowl, in a shoe. I see it in the flowers of the garden too. Blue. I see the blue in the lake, in the sky, in a pair of trousers and in 4 pretty eyes. Green. I see the green in a rainbow, in shorts to play, in the trees and in the grass on a nice day. White. I see the white in a shirt, in clouds in the sky, and in some bubbles flying up high. Purple. I see the purple in pants in a bag near a boy, thinking how to get to his purple toy. Thank you so much. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.